Hello, I'm Katie with WTI and I want to share this amazing black dresser. Now, I absolutely love this dresser. The elevated, elegant design with the gold furnishings really ties my room together. It matches perfectly across from my queen size bed, and because the design is simple, I am not worrying about whether it will go with my room in the future. The drawers are about medium size, and since there are 6, it gives me all the room I need really to store my undergarments and my workout clothes. It was simple to put together. The instructions were very clear. I put it together by myself, but I do recommend having a partner to speed up the work, especially when you're building the 6 drawers. I really recommend this to anyone who is looking for a horizontal dresser to upgrade their room. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.